We have the State Health Secretary with us. Thank you so much for talking to us, sir. So, what is the current situation when it comes to vaccination program in Tamil Nadu?
And vaccination, roughly, all the as soon as we are getting it is getting exhausted on a day, any given day. Only 2 to 3 days stock is available. It's a very healthy sign because Tamil Nadu was one of the states which was very slow in vaccine uptake. It was taking only, we started with very low levels. Now, on an average, we are doing 3.5 to 4 lakhs. Recently, we even came up to 4.88 lakhs, 7 days a week. Now, that is the important thing. Now our requirement with central government also has been that since we have improved utilization, we may be allotted additional vaccines, and whatever we lost out when it was being given for the first 4 months based on consumption wastage, if they make good, we will show better performance. Central government is regularly giving next 4 days also teachers, and for second dose they have given around 16.75 lakhs. Next month they have promised to give us more than a crore. First time more than a crore allocation they have September. So that way we are doing it. We are also working closely with Government of India to get more vaccines and ensure that it is done. After this government has taken over, the awareness is on a regular basis being done, and special campaigns, one having 24-hour vaccination, similarly for elderly vaccination with proper facilities up to very close to their house, and for differently abled up to their house, and for communities up to their places. Tribals, Nilgiris, we have finished giving vaccines to tribals, tea workers. Like that, unique campaigns are also being done in addition. Next 3 days we are going to focus on teachers and also people who have not got second dose.
Coming to that point, Tamil Nadu has also decided to open the schools by September. So, what are the special arrangements done to make sure that there is no kind of issue when it comes to students and teachers interaction and vaccination program in it?
See, we have to work with all departments. Almost all activities are, step by step being opened up with certain restrictions. So, with regard to school, 9 to 12 standards is getting opened up, and these are all decisions taken at the highest level. From our end, we have said that social distancing, masking, then entry point thermal scanning, disinfection on a regular basis, and not allowing them in a staggered way, not allowing people to gather on a huge number, and all are some of the steps. Apart from insisting that teachers and the non-teaching staff should be vaccinated.
Any kind of special plans made, as Kerala is reporting a large number currently, and that is also being denoted because of Onam celebrations?
See, we work, even Tamil Nadu had similar kind of numbers in the month of May and all. So every state is taking a lot of steps and all, including Kerala. But having said that, festivals are common, it's not restricted to one border. So we are sensitizing people that, that any gathering, particularly without following restrictions, are liable to class clusters. So we are keeping a close watch on festival related clusters. We are telling people not to create new situations where crowding happens. Then similarly with regard to other family gatherings also we have sensitized. Friday, Saturday, Sunday we don't allow special regular players go, but not the gatherings in any religious sites. Similarly, any place of crowding also we are insisting on that, and also are looking at fever surveillance and working back on this, plus contact tracing.
Just like you mentioned, in this month also we had some issues with RD and certain clusters because of that. And the next month we are having a bigger festival, that is Ganesh Chaturthi. And regarding that, that is also a kind of festival where people come in large numbers together. Any advices or the state has any plan for that?
See, all these things we keep consulting with the stakeholders, and at the level of Honorable CM it is discussed, and we take the common decision which is announced as a press release once in 2 weeks. But as far as festivals are concerned, irrespective of the religion, irrespective of the name of the festival, I personally feel that time is not ripe for opening up. Because we had the bitter experience of cluster and even one death coming out of RD. Kool Uttaradan means people joining together and eating, giving some prasada. So we have to, and irrespective of religion, it's not the same thing happened recently at Moram. All these things we need till the experts also give a green signal, and which I don't think would be coming very soon. We have to be very cautious, and in spite of it, workplace clusters can happen, shopping complex clusters can happen, streets adjacently shopping can happen. All we are keeping a close watch.
Right, so thank you so much. So the state of Tamil Nadu is keeping a closer look when it comes to making sure that there are no clusters come up because of festivals or various other things in the state of Tamil Nadu. Currently, we have several relaxations, but at the same time, the state authorities very clearly mentioned that still we have to not reduce our guard. With Video News Libyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.